What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to withdraw money from Western Union, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, Western Union and money withdrawal. So Western Union is a money transfer platform, so not like PayPal where you can storage money on it and just pick it up whenever you need. Depending on the way of transfer, of course, Western Union is either the immediate cash getting, or you just place it to your bank account, again depending on the transfer itself. So there are three ways on withdrawing money from Western Union. So you can either use the agent location, or depending on where you live, have it deposited directly into your bank or mobile wallet. So the first option, of course, is the most common, which is a cash transfer. So basically this sender goes to the Western Union agent location and they send you money through them, and you just go to an agent location near you with, of course, your government issued ID, and also you will need to carry with you an MTCN, which is a money tracking number. So a money transfer tracking number, of course. So you will get it from the sender, so he needs to send you the MTCN, because without the MTCN you cannot withdraw the cash through Western Union. Second option, of course, is bank account deposit. So if the sender sent money directly to your bank account, so the money is over there ready for you to pick it up whenever you want to. And the third option, of course, depending on where you live and if the country supports it. As you can see, it is available only in the certain countries, so you can get Western Union transfer to your mobile wallet. So guys, of course, some really nice options over here. So that would be it on how to withdraw money with Western Union. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.